Now you can see that from 210 the process came down to 166. In this video, I'll show you how you can reduce processes on Windows in just 5 minutes. And this will improve your system performance. Before we start, I'll show you what are processes and how it is going to affect your daily performance. For that, just right click on the start and go to the task manager. From here, go to performance. Now from here you can see that there are almost 210 processes running right now, and the handles are huge. So many of the processes which are running in the background are unnecessary and is going to affect your Windows performance. So how you can reduce that? This is the question today, and I'll show you how fastly you can overcome it. So for that you have to go to the task manager again, and from here go to startup apps, and here you can see that a huge number of apps is running right now. Some of them are disabled and many of them are enabled. So I'm going to disable all these startup apps. Browser assistant disable, Copilot disable. I don't want Microsoft 365 Copilot to run, so I will disable it. Teams disable. Mobile devices disable. And Edge, I do not want to run Edge in startup app, so I am disabling it. OneDrive, definitely I don't want, disable it. These all apps are taking a huge number of resources from your system. So just disable all those things. Xbox, definitely you can disable it unless you are using Xbox for gaming. If you are a core gamer, then definitely you have to disable all these apps from the startup. Now you have to close this and go to the start. From there, go to settings. From here, just go to apps. From here, just click on installed apps and see. And here it will list all the apps that has installed in your system. So make sure to disable all the apps which are not in use or not your favorite. So here you can see that there is a huge number of apps running here. So those apps which you find not required, just you can go ahead and disable it. I don't want OneDrive, just uninstall it. Once that is done, then you have to go and disable all unwanted windows and apps permission. For that, just go to privacy and security. Now disable all those permissions which is not required. Just go to general. It's better to disable all these things. Then come back. Then go to speech. Disable this one. It's already disabled. If it is not disabled, just disable it. Now the next thing you have to disable is diagnostic and feedback. Just turn these things off. I have already done it. Now go back. Now in the search, go and turn off search my accounts, work or school accounts. Now go to app permissions, and from here just click on location and then disable all those things. I have already done that. Location services, if you are not keen into this location services allowing the Google to access your location, then disable it. Also turn this off, allow location override. Just click on turn it off. Now go to camera. Now you can define which all apps can access your camera. Then go to notification. From here you can turn this off, both of this. Now go to accounts info turn this off, the second one. Now just go and click phone calls, and turn this off if you are not using phone in your PC. Just go to start. From here just type in services, just open services, and it will take you to the service page. This will list all the services that is running in your PC. Now here you can search for the services which you do not require. For example, BitLocker. If it is running, then just turn it off. Just right click and click on stop. Just close it down. And from here just right click on start, then click on run, and then type in sysdm.cpl. It will take you to the system properties. From here go to advanced. From here click on performance. Change the option to adjust for best performance. By default it will be let Windows choose, but in that case all the animation will remain on, and which will consume a lot of resources. So you can click on adjust for the best performance and click on apply, then click on OK. Now you have to restart the system and check the process again. Now I have restarted the system. Let's go and check the process again. Right click on start, then go to the task manager and then click on performance. Now you can see that from 210 the process came down to 166 and the handle came down much lower. So this is how you can immediately reduce the process in your system and improve your system performance. So hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like and share. Thank you.